Watching movies in VR is undoubtedly one of the most immersive experiences we can enjoy, as it feels like the scenes and characters come to life all around us. Well, I recently found a way, and I'm going to share with you how you can watch 3D movies in VR. So, without any further ado, let's begin this video. First of all, open the Quest store and download VRChat from it. If you already have VRChat, that's fine. If not, create an account and log in. Now, open VRChat and click the Meta button on your left hand to open the menu. Tap here on Worlds. Now click here to search Worlds and search Duke's 3D. As you can see, Duke's World is here. Just open it and click here to join. Now you will get into Duke's World. So, what you need to do is go ahead and search for the movie you want to watch. Well, you can find almost every movie here that has been released in 3D, so just select your movie. Now chill and enjoy your movies in VR. Well, my YouTube video is in 2D, so you won't notice anything here. But if you use a VR headset, you'll definitely see all these movies here in 3D, similar to this Vision Pro Spatial 3D video style. Well, if you have any problem and the movie doesn't load, make sure to do this. Just open your settings. Click here. Go to Comfort and Safety. And enable Allow Untrusted URLs. Additionally, if you don't want someone to bother you or change your movie, just click here on New Instance. Select Friends Only. And then join this movie world.